last 6 years, we've drawn a line in the sand. We brought some of the finest minds in the industry all coming together to share problem solutions under one roof here at WTS.
Okay, I'm the meanest here. A gift and a curse to feel everything oh so deep. We got me and my feelings here. Said the same motherfucker hating on me last week. I've been running around and sitting no patience.
And what I found out over the years is my best businesses or ideas came from financial hell at the bottom, not at the top.
You will never make it. Real too angry. Cut off a complexion. Said they won't blame me. Okay, hate me. If you're gonna do it, I see through it. You're jealous. I'm doing love.
The real balance in life is being grateful for what you have right now while in pursuit of what you want to be. So think about this. Do more, get better, and scale.
I'm drowning out my problems, feel my pain no more. I'm going numb.
I wish I would have left my ego at the door. My ego and pride kept me from growing.
As my rich dad said to me, he says, you got this head, use it. Or as Einstein says, imagination is more important than knowledge.
You love me now, why you lying? Oh, I get it, you're a mess, cause the last guy you met hit and left, and that's when I get a text, you confess.
You should be helping somebody get to where you're at. You should have a relationship with somebody that's on your level, and then you should have somebody that's the next level up from you that's helping you get to where they're at.
You guys are in a vehicle that's like a Lamborghini, but a lot of you guys are driving it in first gear. I'll tell you what, if I have a team of 50 dudes out in your neighborhood that you're trying to call on, I'll tell you what, I'll smash and dominate that hood over you.
But if you want to go to the next level, you got to stop doing what you've been doing, because what got you here today ain't going to get you where you want to go tomorrow.
Sometimes you're in a worse position in life. That's the best time to restart everything.
Nowadays rap sound like shit. Let me wait a couple times, make it sound like this.
They say I walk like a king, talk like a king. You can act around now, say the same thing. They chasing the fame.
Anything that can increase your ability to recruit, retain, attract talent is going to increase your chance to bring talent to your company, and that's how we scale it.
When they come out of this thing, you can see it on their face. It's like, whoa, that's not for me, or it's like, man, this is awesome.
The beauty of it is you get to choose. You get to choose your legacy. An entrepreneur is a dreamer, a thinker, a storyteller, and a leader.
So I'm going to show you guys how to win. I'm going to show you guys how to take from where you're at and who you are to get you where you want to go and who you need to become.
Is it really me? Gotta check and see my legacy like royalty, and I act like it. If you know better, act like it.
Let's get rid of the law speech, right?
Why? We're talking about a law.
If we want to get rid of the law.
Hold on. There's a difference between a law and it being proper.
Safety is very important because if you do it right, each day your employees are going to go home safe and sound to their families and loved ones.
Yo, what's up? What's up? You guys ready to have a good time tonight?
They heard I was coming, I make them start running. I never seen them so afraid. See the Ferrari, it roll like Safari. You better get hit like a red. Oh, shorty a hottie, she all on my body. We turn up like it's a parade. Yo, shorty just met me, she ride with me heavy, cause money coming by the crib. She said she not from America, swear she is bad as Angelica. If you ain't talking about money, I'm sorry, but it is not registered. Sticking them up for the money, I tell them to empty the register. Pulling up in the Ferrari, I'm flexing on them. When I go get that Ferrari, and I pull up to the party, on 100 deep like a army, just in case they try to harm me. I know you'll probably be hating, just cause I'm rich and I'm famous. Honestly, it's entertaining, so you won't see me complaining. Tell all them haters like, check out my new red Ferrari. I done been around the world, ain't that could do it like us with nobody help. When the chips about to fall and I'm back against the wall, know what's
What happens is they commit fraud. And I know it because I saw it. And it had been happening for decades. And the Attorney General of New York arrested an engineering executive on TV. As a result of that, 144,000 families got to reopen their claims.
But you have a particular voice and message to share with so many people in the industry that will bring valuable content that will change their life.
I put that city on the map, put that city on my back, till I'm up with a million on my lap. No time till I hit a lap.
Because you gotta work hard, but you know what I've learned? Is when I work hard on things that I'm an expert at, that's when I get the most leverage from my time and my effort.
If you want to write this down, a good rule for success is nobody wants to work for a fucking dick. Do not quit right now. That's emotion. Quit tomorrow.
All you guys should leave here with this scale it mindset and scale it in 2020 and make that bell-shaped curve your bitch. Booyah, baby!
To take my place, king of the throne, and I don't mean wrong, but I'm coming strong. When I'm on the road and I'm coming home, stuck in the middle of nowhere. Times I wish I could ditch and go there.